binary tree ADT. The definition of binary tree ADT: a binary tree is a tree in which no node can have more than 2 children. This means the degree of a binary tree is either 0 or 1 or 2, right? Then binary tree ADT, a tree is in which no node can have more than 2 children. So this is the simple example of binary tree. Here the binary tree is a tree in which no node can have more than 2 children. The maximum degree of any node is 2, right? That means the degree of a binary tree is either 0 or 1 or 2. So here the example, the root node having 2 child, that is T1 and T2, right? The binary tree consists of a root and 2 subtrees, that is T1 and T2. All nodes to the left of the binary tree are referred as left subtree, and all nodes to the right of binary tree are referred to as the right subtree. And the binary tree has at most 2 children. We can keep direct pointer to them. The declaration of the tree node is similar in the structure to that for doubly linked list, right? So here a type of binary tree. The first one is strictly binary tree. Strictly binary tree is a binary tree where all the nodes will have either 0 or 2 children. It does not have one child in any node. So here 6 is the root node, the node having 2 child, and 2 is the parent node having more than 2 child node. So that is a strictly binary node. Then skew tree. A skew tree is a binary tree in which every node except the left leaf has only one child node. There are 2 types of skew tree. They are left skew binary tree, and another one is right skew binary tree. First one is left skewed binary tree. A left skewed tree has node with only the left child. So it is a binary tree with only left subtree. Then right skewed binary tree. A right skewed tree has node with only the right child. It is a binary tree with only right subtree. So this is the example of right skew and left skew tree. Then fully binary tree or complete binary tree. A binary tree is a full binary tree if all leaves are at the same level and every non-leaf node has exactly 2 children, and it should contain maximum possible number of nodes in all levels. A full binary tree of height h has 2 power h plus 1 minus 1 nodes. So here the particular tree, all the leaves are same. A have 2 child, B having a 2 child, as well as C also having a 2 child. So this is the proper binary tree structure. Then complete binary tree. Every non-leaf node has exactly 2 children, but all leaves are not necessary at the same level. A complete binary tree is one where all the leaves has the maximum number of nodes except that last level. So the last level element should be filled from the left to right. So this is the example of complete binary tree. So here in this particular diagram, all the levels are same, right? A having 2 child and B having 2 child and D also having 2 child, as well as C having a 2 child. So this is the example of complete binary tree. Then almost complete binary tree is represented as a tree in which each node that has a right child also has a left child. Having a left child does not require a node to have a right child. So this is the example of almost complete binary tree. Here A having 2 child and B having 2 child, also C having a 2 child, but D having only one left child, right? So this is also called as the almost complete binary tree. Thank you.